Welcome back to our channel. We have another room tour for you. So, for those of you that have been keeping up with us, we have been in New York for a few days, 5 nights to be precise, and we're off, we're leaving. But before we go, we're going to do one of our room tours, and we've done it this way on purpose so that we can give you a little bit more feedback on the room now that we've actually stayed here and tried it out. Let's start off, as always, lobby area. First thing I have to say about this hotel room, colour. I really like the colour and the decor. I just think it looks really nice. It's a little bit retro maybe, but it has a really distinct theme in the rooms. And that was one of the things that attracted us to it. So if you're liking the photos on the website, I would say the hotel looks very much like the photos. They're not fooling you with that one. Where should we start, T? This little room here. Obviously, every good hotel needs a little bit of storage. That's exactly what this is. We'll open it up. Ignore all our bags that you might see there. But first thing you'll probably notice is the patterns on the wallpaper. Again, this is quite a theme and a style. The room key has a pattern on it too. Looks lovely. Loads of hangers, lots of space. One thing I wasn't too keen with about the room is no iron. If you're like me and you have to iron things, then you get a steamer. Steamers just don't work the same in my opinion, but if you like a steamer, you'll be very happy. For me, I'd much rather have an iron. Pillow up there. Pillows feel so good. I'm going to be safe jumping on the bed today, I know that. We didn't need that pillow, the pillows are so comfortable. So we'll close that off, hide our bags, and move to the bathroom. It's going to be a bit of a squeeze, but we are right in the centre of Hell's Kitchen, near Times Square in New York. So as you can imagine, space is tough to come by. So the bathroom is a little bit of a squeeze, but come in and I will show you around as always. So, not much room, I can just about get a spin in for you. But again, it looks really nice. Something about the bathroom that I'd say is, it looks really nice, styled really nice, it's just a little bit cramped. But they make the most of the space for sure. Like all the nice finishing. If we can come through, if we can squeeze in, I'll show you the shower. Shower's really nice. I like the finishing, like the detail, and of such a small bathroom, what I find impressive is how much shower space you actually have. You can touch the size, you can get a group of people in here if you want, but read into that as you like. Shower's really nice, as always, true all things TNC fashion, I have to turn the shower on, so I'm going to try my best to do this and not get wet. Very good shower, powerful, water is always hot and steaming, lovely. Again, modern finish, clean. Some of the things that's really nice is if you see the attention to detail up here, you see these lights and you will see these in the main room as well. So they kind of stick to their, well they don't kind of, they stick to their theme and they work with it, which I really like.
One thing I will say about the taps is they go the other way around. That really bugged me for some reason. But they're the wrong way around. In the UK, they're supposed to twist like the other way around. Also, the toilet, if we just show you how it flushes, you pull it towards you rather than pressing it down. So I don't know if ours is broken or whether that's just how it's supposed to be, but just two things to know. When we first got here, I thought because the bathroom was a little bit small that this was just extra drawer space that you had to tap into and it would open. But underneath you do get a hairdryer. There was an extra toilet roll. They give you an extra one each time. And then that's just more tissue that fills up that spot.
Perfect. Really nice. Tiling's really nice. Bathroom, shower, mirrors, everything's good quality. Just a little bit small, but finished nice. Looks really new and fresh. I don't know how old the hotel is, but still looks really new and fresh. So, next. Into the main area, the main space. So, again, really like the colour scheme. If we go straight over here and have a look at the light, you'll see that same style as in the bathroom. And the lights in general, that they're all a little bit niche, a little bit quirky I'd say, but they're all really nice and that's what drew us to this hotel, and I don't think we were disappointed. I really like the way the pictures are at the back, the way they hang down. I imagine every room's the same, has a mixture of photos, whether it's the same ones or not I don't know, but one of my favourite parts of the room, standing mirror.
I thought you were going to say the coat rack.
The coat rack. One of my favourite parts of the room, the coat rack. Joking. No, this standing mirror, again, we wanted one of these in our apartment, and that's probably why we like it so much. We're a little bit biased. So I really like how it leans against the wall. Really thick, good quality. Just not too much to really say, to be honest. Just soak in, have a look at the room. The important stuff, the amenities. So I'd say aircon, but it's February, so we needed heating. So temperature control of the room, nice and easy, up and down, fan speeds, Fahrenheit, Celsius, depending on what you like, Celsius for us. But
The highest it goes up to.
The highest it goes up to? I don't know. 26.5. It has been cold while we're here, and when you turn that on, sorts your room out so quick. If anything, we just end up getting too hot. Turn it off. So room temperature's always however you want it. Really nice. Here we have our phone, lamp. The room, that's something to know about the room. You see there's no lights above, except in the one in the hallway. As you come in, it's all lamps. So going to bed at night, you do have to go around and turn everything off. There's not, well, maybe there is and we've missed it, but there's not like a master switch. There is a switch at the front for that light, and then everything else is all done individually on dimmers. So it looks really cool when it's nice, but when you're coming back, you're going to bed, if you've been out, you do have to go around the whole room, turn everything off. Or if you're going out, you need to turn all the lights off, go around. So a master switch would make sense. But let's have a look in the cupboards. Here we have our safe. Let's come around and have a look at the safe. Not too much to say, it's standard safe. Really big, fits our laptop in there, fit a load of stuff in there. Really easy to work, just put your own pin in, lock it. Then we have a couple of drawers, nice big drawers. I only show the bottom one, don't need to see them both. We can close that up. And then here we go, fridge. We have a fridge, and we've got a few things in there, but again, empty, nice and spacious. I really like it when you get a fridge that's not full up of room service snacks and things, because I actually find a fridge really useful. We're always bringing stuff back, wanting to keep it cold, water, pre-drinks, whatever else. So fridge is good, decent size. So we have our sofa. I'm not going to jump on that, I'm going to stop myself. We have a little side table. Side table's really good. You have all your little switches, so you have your US sockets, obviously, and you have your USB sockets. So that's really helpful. For us, we bring a couple of adapters everywhere we go, but that's never enough. So ideal. And you have them on the other side as well. Overall, like we say, big room. Bathroom's a little bit small, but it's modern, fresh. Really like it. The room itself here is big. It's done up really nicely. The colour scheme looks really nice. That's what drew us to this hotel. I think the decor, the colour scheme. In the video you will see little clips of downstairs, in the hallways, in the lobby, and you'll see that it's all got this nice little retro vibe, which is really nice. It has personality, and that's what we like. So can't fault it on that part. The view itself we have here, obviously nothing too special. We're in the middle of Hell's Kitchen, but you get a very New York vibe, to be fair. So that's nice. And then, is there anything else you would like to mention about the room, team?
The walls are thin.
Yes, something to know. Walls are thin. So people next door, if they're in, can probably hear us right now and listening, wondering what we're doing. We can hear both sides. The bathrooms, like someone was putting
Their coats
away
Yeah.
or their clothes up in the hangers in the little cupboard in this room, and we could hear them moving it along. You know how it makes that little scrapey noise. So one downside on the room, but overall really nice, clean, modern, and you know what I'm about to do.
Oh, there's me. Go on.
I am about to jump on the bed, test the bed out, and I know this bed's comfortable. These pillows, look at them. They bounce back so quick. These have to be some of the most comfortable pillows I have actually ever slept on, which is really nice. So, shall we do it? Favourite bit.
I'm going to take a seat for this.
Dun, 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 dun. Yes. So comfortable, really comfortable bed, massive bed as well, to be honest. There you go. That is our quick room tour of Roma Hell's Kitchen Hotel. This is a standard king bed room, as you can tell by the bed, and it's really nice. So if you have any questions, as always, throw them in the comments. We'll put a link up to one of our other New York videos so you can see what else we got up to while we're here, and we will do a full hotel review in one of our vlogs, so check that out if you're interested. But for now, that's it. We will see you very soon.